Struggling with brake performance because your engine isn't generating enough vacuum? Here are the 5 best electric vacuum pumps for brakes that can solve your problems, and one that you should definitely steer clear of. Product number 1, AA Ignition Electric Vacuum Pump. Let's kick things off with the AA Ignition Electric Vacuum Pump, priced at just $36.99. What caught my attention was its specific compatibility with Ford and Dodge diesel engines, which are notoriously low on vacuum pressure. If you want reliable brake assistance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This pump is designed to replace the vacuum pressure that diesel engines lack, which can affect your AC and brakes. It's compatible with a wide range of models, from 2003 to 2010, such as the F250 to the F550 Super Duty trucks. Now, if your brake pedal feels stiff or you're having trouble engaging your 4WD, this pump can restore that lost performance. Plus, with over 100 units sold in the last month, people are clearly trusting this model. However, some users noted that the installation can be tricky due to the location of the pump in certain vehicles. Here's the thing now. While it might take a little extra effort, it's a solid investment considering the lifetime warranty that comes with it. So if you're somewhat handy, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you own a diesel truck and want a budget-friendly solution to restore your brake and AC performance. Skip this one if your vehicle isn't on the compatibility list. You might end up wasting your time and money. Now, if the AA Ignition's installation hassle concerns you, the next product on the list is designed for easy setup. Product number 2, the T-Master 12V Brake Booster Vacuum Pump Kit. The T-Master 12V Brake Booster Vacuum Pump Kit, priced at $198. This caught my eye because it has a plug-and-play feature that makes installation much simpler. If you want a quiet, high-performance pump for your brake booster, this one's a game changer. This pump operates between 18 to 25 inches of vacuum, which is crucial for engines that struggle to generate sufficient vacuum power, like supercharged or turbocharged ones. Imagine driving with a firm brake pedal. That's what this aims to deliver. With a compact design, it's also 60% quieter than traditional piston-style pumps, making your ride much more enjoyable. However, a few reviews mentioned that it might not fit in all engine bays due to its size. Here's the thing. If you're looking for quiet operation and efficiency, it's worth checking your vehicle's space before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you own a performance vehicle that requires a reliable brake booster. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with potential fitting issues. It might not be the best solution for smaller engine bays. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a balance of power and quiet operation. Product number 3, Max Speeding Rod's 12V Electric Vacuum Pump Kit. Let's look at the Max Speeding Rod's 12V Electric Vacuum Pump Kit, which retails for $193.89. What stood out to me is its self-adjusting inline vacuum switch that only activates when necessary. If you want to save energy while ensuring your brakes perform optimally, this is worth considering. This pump operates when the vacuum drops below 18 inches and turns off at 22 inches, making it ideal for vehicles that struggle with low vacuum pressure. It's designed to reduce noise significantly since it only runs when needed, which is a bonus for those who want a quieter ride. Plus, with high efficiency, your braking performance is consistently reliable. On the downside, some users reported that it may take a little longer to kick in compared to other models. Here's my perspective. The energy savings and reduced noise might outweigh that slight delay for many drivers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for efficiency and quiet operation in your brake system. Skip this one if you need immediate response time for braking. It might not satisfy high performance demands. Now, if you liked the idea of reduced noise but want something with a bit more power, the next product could be exactly what you need. Product number 4, Lead Brakes Electric Vacuum Pump Kit. The Lead Brakes Electric Vacuum Pump Kit, priced at $356.71. What impressed me is the combination of efficiency and quiet operation, making it perfect for both classic and modern vehicles. If you want a premium pump that doesn't compromise on performance, this is definitely worth a look. This pump is 60% quieter and 30% more efficient than traditional models. It's pre-wired and tested for easy installation, which is fantastic if you want to avoid the hassle. This means you get reliable braking without that annoying noise. With such a premium quality, it's perfect for those who want their vehicle running at its best. However, it is on the pricier side, and some may find that hard to justify. But if you're serious about your vehicle's performance, the investment may be well worth it in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality vacuum pump that's easy to install and runs quietly. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's definitely an investment. If the price of the lead brakes model gave you pause, the last product on our list is a fantastic budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Product number 5. QRY-DWQ Electric Brake Vacuum Pump. We have the QRY-DWQ Electric Brake Vacuum Pump at just $44.99. This caught my attention because it's lightweight, compact, and has strong suction for a great price. If you want a budget option that still delivers decent performance, this one is worth checking out. It can achieve a vacuum degree above 0.09 in just 10 seconds, which means you'll notice a difference in braking performance right away. Plus, it operates quietly, improving the overall user experience. If you're looking for something that doesn't require ongoing maintenance, this pump is maintenance-free, which is a huge plus. However, some users mentioned that it should not be used continuously for more than 60 seconds, which could be a drawback for high-usage situations. But if you're just using it for occasional repairs, it shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option for occasional use. Skip this one if you need something robust for daily use. It may not hold up to constant demand. Now that we've gone through all 5 options, let's summarize. To wrap things up, we've covered 5 great electric vacuum pumps for brakes. The AA Ignition is perfect for budget-conscious diesel owners, while the T-Master offers superior quiet performance. The Max Speeding Rods brings efficiency to the table, and the lead brakes is a top-tier choice for serious enthusiasts. Finally, the QRY-DWQ is a solid budget option. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Lead Brakes Electric Vacuum Pump Kit because of its quality and ease of installation. As for which one to avoid, the T-Master might not fit all engine bays, so check compatibility first.